250D makes things really easy. We were all really enjoying being in the park and having a great time, and the camera took some really good memories for me. So when we were taking photos of bubbles in the park, I got a lot of creative photos with the bubbles and Rosie, and it was really easy. Go, Rosie! I was taking photos of Dave in the park, and I didn't realise how good the flash actually was on a camera like this. You can turn photos from good to great just by using the flash. In the park, I was looking to take a more serious portrait, so I turned it to black and white. It's as simple as a smartphone app, definitely. When we were on the carousel, Rosie was moving really fast and she wanted to go round and round and round, and I used this mode and I managed to get some really good photos of her in focus and the background blurred and crazy. Yeah, it looked really, really good. It's really easy to change the speed so that you can see the movement, and it actually comes up with little captions telling you what to do. It's a very cool effect. I don't know, looking at something like this, you think that it wouldn't be able to transfer to your phone, but actually all the photos that I take on this camera go to my phone automatically. I've always thought that a camera like this would be too technical, but the 250D is really easy to use, and I've got some amazing photos without having to do anything.